Investing in rental properties can be a great way to build wealth. However, it's crucial to understand the rules of the game. The regulatory environment can significantly impact your investment. Ignoring these regulations can lead to costly mistakes. By understanding the rules, you can make informed decisions. This will help you protect your investment and maximize returns. Being aware of regulations allows you to anticipate challenges. You can adapt your strategy as needed. This proactive approach is key to successful real estate investing. Remember, knowledge is power. Local zoning regulations dictate how you can use your property. These rules vary from place to place. It's vital to research the specific regulations in your area. Zoning laws may limit the number of units you can have. They may also dictate the size of your units. Rent control is another crucial factor to consider. These regulations limit how much you can increase rent. They are designed to protect tenants. However, they can impact your profitability. Understanding these regulations is essential before you invest. The real estate market is cyclical. It's important to be aware of potential risks. Oversupply is one such risk. This occurs when there are too many rental units available. Oversupply can lead to lower rents and higher vacancy rates. Economic downturns also pose a risk. During a recession, people may have less money to spend on housing. This can lead to an increase in evictions. Regulatory changes can also impact your investment. For instance, new laws might be introduced that increase your costs. Despite the risks, there are ways to mitigate your exposure. Thorough research is essential. Before you buy a property, learn everything you can about the local market. Talk to local real estate agents. Consult with property managers. Financial planning is also crucial. Have a plan for dealing with unexpected expenses. This might include setting aside a reserve fund. Building a strong team is also important. This team might include a real estate attorney, a tax advisor, and a contractor. With the right team and a proactive approach, you can navigate the complexities of the rental market. You can then enjoy the rewards of being a successful real estate investor.